In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly prepare the surface and install the base plate for the SP-401S lighting unit. The video covers required tools, surface requirements, torque guidelines, installation examples and step-by-step mounting instructions. Here is a list of the basic tools and mounting components required to prepare the surface before installing the SP-401S lighting unit. Power drill with the appropriate drill bit. Mounting screws and mounting dowels suitable for concrete or asphalt. Recommended size, 12 by 80 mm, up to 12 by 120 mm. Open-ended wrench of appropriate size. Pins, screws, and wall plugs for mounting the base plate to concrete or asphalt are not included in the product and must be purchased separately. Mounting hardware should be selected according to the ground conditions and installation requirements. Ensure all tools and components are ready and within reach before starting the installation process. Use the torque chart as a general reference for recommended tightening torques for M8 screws. For precise torque values, always consult the torque specification provided by the screw or anchor manufacturer to ensure compliance with material properties and installation requirements. Do not over-tighten fasteners, as this may damage the substrate or compromise anchoring performance. Installation must be carried out on a clean, solid, and paved surface. Suitable substrates include properly cured concrete or asphalt. If the ground is not hardened, it must be properly reinforced and leveled before installation to ensure stable and long-term performance of the SP-401S lighting unit. Here are a few examples of SP-401S installations on properly hardened ground. These examples serve as reference solutions for recommended surface preparation and correct mounting practice, ensuring stability, proper alignment, and long-term durability. To begin the installation process, mark the positions for the mounting holes according to the technical drawing. Accurate placement is essential to ensure the SP-401S lighting unit fits securely and operates correctly once installed. Using a power drill with the correct drill bit, drill the mounting holes in accordance with the required dimensions. For 8 mm mounting hardware, the holes should match the anchor diameter and provide a depth between 80 and 120 mm, depending on the substrate. Once the holes are drilled, insert 8 mm mounting dowels into each hole to ensure secure and stable installation. Place the base plate over the drilled holes. Insert the selected screws with washers through the base plate into the mounting dowels. Tighten the screws using an appropriately sized open-ended wrench or a power drill with appropriate bit adapter until the base plate is firmly secured. Always follow the torque specifications provided by the fastener manufacturer. All installation steps, technical drawings, and detailed specifications can be found in the SP-401S Lighting Unit Installation Manual.